Hey guys, I'm going to show you a natural product that we have in store. It's a neem oil leaf shine. It's by that Maya growing company that's also in Shuswap, so a local company. What's great about it is it helps actually with pest management, and it also helps with keeping your leaves nice and shiny. So it's more of a continuous thing you want to apply. That way your plant builds up some tolerance to pests. So I would say every 3 weeks would be good to use. Got my nice emulsified gloves on, so they're microfiber, which is a great way to clean your leaves. So all you do with this is you spray the leaves, and then it's recommended that you wipe them off. You just don't want it to sit on the leaves because it might burn them. So you just do that, and that's it. And that leaf's gonna be gorgeous after. Now this stuff you want to use on only the plant elixir on hard leaf plants, so not delicate leaf plants. Might be too harsh on them. But this is going to build up a nice thing so plants are stronger and the leaves are going to be protected from pests. It's a beautiful natural product. It's got essential oils in it, aloe powder, neem oil. Beautiful. So it's that easy. You have some in store. I recommend it. We use it in our studio and I use it at home as well. All right. See you soon.